Welcome to Sharwana's Knowledge Hub, where curiosity meets clarity. Master the skills that matter. Let's explore the country, its flag, and learn about its capital city. Iraq is a country located in the Middle East, known for its ancient civilizations and rich history. The capital city is Baghdad, one of the oldest and most important cultural centers in the region. Iraq's national flag features red, white, and black stripes with green Arabic script in the center. Israel is a historic country in the Middle East known for its rich culture and ancient heritage. The capital city Jerusalem is one of the oldest and most important cities in the world. Jerusalem is famous for its sacred sites, history, and significance to many religions. Japan is an island country in East Asia, famous for its rich culture, advanced technology, and beautiful landscapes. The capital city, Tokyo, is one of the world's largest and most modern cities. Tokyo is known for its skyscrapers, historic temples, and vibrant city life. Jordan is a beautiful country in the Middle East known for its rich history and culture. Its capital city is Amman, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world. Amman is the political, cultural, and economic heart of Jordan. Kazakhstan is the largest landlocked country in the world, located in Central Asia. Its capital city is Astana, a modern city known for its futuristic architecture. The beautiful blue flag with the golden sun and eagle represents freedom and prosperity. Kuwait is a small but wealthy country located in the Middle East along the Arabian Gulf. Its capital city is Kuwait City, famous for its modern skyline and the iconic Kuwait Towers. The Kuwait flag's colors represent Arab unity, courage, peace, and prosperity. Kyrgyzstan is a beautiful mountainous country located in Central Asia. Its capital city is Bishkek, the political and cultural center of the nation. The red flag with a golden sun and tunduk represents unity and the traditional Kevayaji-wized home. Laos is a beautiful landlocked country located in Southeast Asia, known for its mountains and rivers. Its capital city is Vientiane, a peaceful city located along the Mekong River. The Laos flag with red, blue, and a white circle symbolize the nation's unity and bright future. Like, share, and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned to Sharwana's Knowledge Hub for more updates. Thanks for watching.